Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have got a bit of a beef to bring to some of the couponers out there. Hopefully it is none of my audience here, but I'm a little bothered by something I saw over the last couple of days and I just thought I'd make a video about it. We can talk about it. Obviously, you can leave your comments below and let me know what you think about it all. But before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and let's talk about what's going on. So, if you are not super deep into the coupon world like me, you may not have known about what's happening with these Axe products here that you see on the shelf. So, I took this picture yesterday at Meyer. I was just stopping by to grab a few things, and I said, let's go check out the 50% off clearance for Christmas. And these gift sets were sitting there. And as you can see, some of them are open. And that has been a thing that has been going on. Now, they didn't seem quite as bad here. As you can see, there's several that are not open. There's just a few in the front that are open. In fact, there's one that's actually taped. You can see there from the picture. But this all kind of has started, at least online for me, noticing that this was an issue at Walgreens. So Walgreens has a particular deal going on where the products are 50% off, but it's going to make them just $5, which is a great price, especially when you get two, or I think it's two products in there for $5, 250 each. Great price. And of course, with Walgreens, the way you can do things to make some money or to make some money back is you could use a booster or something like that to definitely do that. So it's a really great deal. Now, there is a coupon inside the actual box, which is pretty awesome. It is a free Axe coupon. So I think so what you do is, or what people have been doing is they open up the box, they grab the coupon, and they head up to the counter and they purchase the product with the coupon, making it completely free. And it is up to, it says 650. You can see on the picture right there, max value is 650. So it would definitely cover the $5 for the clearance price. And so they're getting these for free. Now, there is a way that you can do this and it will be reasonable. What you do is you just, put as many as you want in your cart. You head up to the counter and you purchase one. And then once it's bought, you pay the $5, or you could use, Walgreens cash or whatever it's called to pay for it. Then you open the box and you use that coupon on the next product. So you could kind of what we call roll the coupons. If you never, again, some of you are really deep into the couponing world. When I say roll coupons or roll whatever, you understand. If you don't, basically what it means is that you buy one product, you use whatever you gain from that product on the next product, and you keep rolling it from transaction to transaction. And this is way you get lots of them for free, which is a really great deal. But the problem is people are not doing that. They're not purchasing the first one. They are just going ahead and opening the box and taking the coupons. And honestly, they're not even purchasing the ones that they have opened in the store. They're actually just leaving them wide open and taking the coupons, which is fraud, guys. It is absolute fraud. That coupon comes with the product itself. And if you are opening the box to use it to pay for the box, or you're opening the box just to get the coupon and not even grab the product itself, it's wrong. Flat out wrong. And this is where it just bothers me a little bit. And people, I mean, there are people that are doing it correctly. I'm not saying that. In fact, some of these pictures I pulled from the internet. I pulled from a Walgreens Facebook page. Some of them are mine, but some of them are from Walgreens Facebook pages. And you can see people have done this, and they've done a lot. Like, I think I saw somebody said that they did 90 boxes. I don't even know what store is carrying 90 boxes. That is craziness. But they rolled them, or so they said. And I don't have any reason to doubt that particular person. But as you can tell from the actual store itself, people are not doing that. They are not. They are just opening the boxes and taking the coupons and leaving the product on the shelf for the next person. It just kind of stinks. And of course, this particular product will probably sit there until it falls to at least 90%, or I guess maybe the employees will pull it from the shelf completely and it won't get sold at all. It's just frustrating though. Someone that is a couponer, and I have been couponing for many years now. Probably some of you have been couponing longer than me, but I started. I don't even remember my kids that are almost 14 and 12 were like not even in school yet. So I mean, it's like been 10 years now. at least. And I know some of you have been couponing longer, so you have seen things like double coupons, and things have just changed over time because people keep abusing the system. Printable coupons used to be super easy to use, and now they're very difficult to use in some stores. In fact, some stores have banned them altogether because people would use them incorrectly. So it bothers me when couponers do stuff like this, because then they're going to take away uh, more couponing. They're going to make it harder on us to coupon. If you would just do it correctly, we're getting great deals. You could get, my goodness, you could get 90 of them and only pay for one. That would be amazing. But somebody has got to get their freebie from the beginning. So, anyway, that is my frustration. As you can see here, Meyer taped some of them shut, hopefully to, still get them sold, which I don't blame them. They didn't do anything wrong, but it is frustrating. But honestly, now you know that coupon's in there. You know to grab one of those and turn around and pull the coupon out and use it on the next one. But don't open it until you purchase it, until it's actually in your possession as owned by you. Um, like, look at how sad that is. That box there was ripped open, and I don't even think this one includes the coupon in it. So I think this was a 3 count. So the only ones that include the coupons are going to be the ones with the yellow on the front. And this one, I don't even think it was, but somebody ripped it open just to see if they could get a coupon out of it. So, man, I don't know. Anyway, that is my little bit of couponing rant. So let me know in the comments what you think about this whole scenario. I know it happens all the time. There's coupon fraud that happens all the time. You hear about people getting arrested for using coupons incorrectly. I remember being in Walmart one time, probably one of the worst experiences I've ever had at Walmart. And one of the reasons why I don't do a lot of couponing at Walmart, especially with any kind of coupons I have to hand over, much less printable coupons, is I had coupons. I was brand new at couponing. I had only been couponing for, I don't know, 6 months to a year, something like that. It was fair. I was fairly new. I definitely did not have any kind of channel or coupon. I actually started out doing a couponing blog, and it's completely gone at this point. But I started out doing that before I moved to doing YouTube, and so I went to Walmart. I don't even remember what I bought. I bought like 3 things. I mean, it wasn't a lot. And I had coupons, and one of them I think was a printable coupon, and it didn't scan right away. And literally the cashier accused me of stealing. She said, "Ma'am, this is not a real coupon." And I was like, "It's a printable coupon. It's from coupons.com. It is a real coupon." And she's like, "It is not a real coupon. You are stealing from the store." And I was like, "It was a 50-cent coupon from coupons.com. I mean, I definitely was not stealing from the store." But it just, and she was mean about it. I'm being very kind the way I'm saying it. Normally I am very, very kind to cashiers, but this one took me aback because I don't steal. I'm not doing anything wrong. And to be accused of stealing or doing something wrong really, really bothered me, especially when I know for a fact I wasn't doing anything wrong. I just printed a coupon. Honestly, printable coupons are very difficult to use sometimes. They don't scan depending on your printer. Maybe your printer doesn't print as well. And I will say in the beginning, my printer wasn't great. I ended up getting a better printer and I didn't have as many problems scanning printable coupons. But, I wasn't doing anything wrong or illegal. And it really, really bothered me that I was accused of what I was accused of. So, anyway, all right, guys. So, let me know in the comments what you think about this whole scenario. Would you do it? Well, I don't know if you want to tell me if you would do it, but I guess don't tell me if you would do it because you don't want to be attacked by everybody. But, would you do it the right way? Or, does this really bother you the way that things are going down? Or, to each his own. The thing is, this is the big thing to me, is you could say to each his own. And if they get in trouble, they get in trouble. I totally get that. The problem is that they are going to come down with stricter rules on us couponers. And that's where I have the problem. Just do it correctly and you can get a ton of product for a great deal. All right, that's all I've got to say. Sorry for this couponing rant. Let me know in the comments what you think, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye, guys.